today we're going to learn how to make creme brulee. Okay, I gotta tell you, this part is my favorite part of all, and that's torching it. And I have my trusty little kitchen torch here. So let's torch and caramelize that top layer of sugar. And if you notice, you see it start bubbling up, so it's caramelizing. It's going to turn really hard, and this is the best part to me. The part I love is that crunchy top, crunchy hot top, and on the bottom is the cold custard. And now, can you see that? It's caramelized, and we're gonna let that dry a little bit, and that's gonna be nice and hard and crunchy. Let's get it one more time. That's perfect. Okay, we're gonna take that off to the side. We'll do one more here. Get a nice trusty kitchen torch. Now, if you don't have one of these, you can actually take this and put it in the broiler for a couple of minutes, and that'll do the job. A lot of people do that because not everybody has a kitchen torch. But these kitchen torches are not expensive. I got this at a store with actually a couple of bowls for like 13 bucks or something. So really a cool little thing to have in the kitchen. And that's coming along nicely. There you go. Let's do one more. Put that right there. Turn on our kitchen torch. And look at that. You can see the brown sugar on top just bubbling up as it caramelizes. Oop. There we go. And I think we're good to go.